Every scar became my crown. I was lost, but won't back down. Shadows fall beneath my feet. Broken roads made me complete. From the dust I rose to sing. Born to fight, born to be king. I am the king. Hear the thunder roll. Fire and steel have shaped my soul. I am the king. I claim the sky. Falling once, but I still rise. I am the king. Let the world now see. No one else can conquer me. I am the king. Through the storm I reign. From the lost I forge my name. Cold the night along the wall, still I stand and ask for more. Every chain was meant to break, every fear I turned to fade. Voices call from far below, of the boy I used to know. Now he burns in everything, in my blood, the heart of kings. If I fall, I rise again, stronger now through all the pain. No retreat, no bending knee. This is who I'm born to be. I am the king. Hear the thunder roll. Fire and steel have shaped my soul. I am the king. I claim the sky. Falling once, but I still rise. I am the king. Let the world now see. No one else can conquer me. I am the king. Through the storm I reign. From the lost I forge my name.